boyfriend dyan. Joke lamang ho. I've always believed that true beauty shines not only in physical perfection, but the courage to inspire, the heart to uplift others, and the grace to create a meaningful impact here in this world. Wearing a national costume is not how big, glamorous, or elegant it is, because the true meaning of wearing a national costume is how you will wear it, with a pride and authenticity. A young lady standing here in front of your naked eye is indeed innocent 16-year-old stunner, hailing all the way where the Lakbayo Festival are being celebrated. Tondo, Manila. My real name is Heaven Umawan, currently taking humanities and social sciences. But tonight, this is a beauty pageant. Hayaan niyo akong hiramin ng pagkatao ng isang babaeng pumukaw sa puso ni Mr. Enrique Hill. The one of the most gorgeous faces of show business. Yes, palakpakan mo natin ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Liza Zoberano. Miss Liza Zoberano, na nag-iiwan ho ng isang kasabihan na bago nyo ho sundin ang puso nyo, sundin nyo na ang sigaw ng mama nyo. My national costume was inspired by the Sampaguita Festival from San Pedro, Laguna, that symbolizes peace, purity, and simplicity, that's showcasing our national flower, the Sampaguita. But tonight, bago lisanin ng entabladong ito, nais ko lamang hong magbigay ng isang paalala na kami pong parte ng LGBTQIA+ community ay nanghihingi lamang ho ng respeto at pagmamahal. Kaya naman sa pagkabuhay ni Jesus, sa mga susunodong kandidata na gustong magbigay ng entertainment sa mga tao, pasintabi lamang ho. Huwag na wag ho tayong gagamit ng mga bastos na kataga dahil gusto ho naming maging mabuting ehemplo at kailanman hindi maging negatibo. Once again, this is your candidate number 1. Judges, mark my number because I will give you the best show and the night to remember. Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you so much, candidate number 1, Miss Liza.
Good evening, people of Launlaan. Na-miss nyo ba ako? Holding a victory, having you and my history, progressiveness and empathy, up and climb to the highest mountain, down to the deepest sea. Being a gay in the society is not to diminish our humanity. Yes, hello, hi, and mabuhay. The girl who was front of you is Mr. Rian De Jesus. All the way last from Caloocan City. At nais ko pong sabihin sa inyo na ako ang babaeng matinik sa tindig. Mr. Rian Ramos. Mr. Rian Ramos na naniniwala sa kasabihang sa mabuti ho nilang balat, malalaking dibdib na pinagpipiestahan ng grupo ng kalalakihan. Ngayong gabi, atin hong baguhin ang pamantayan ng sinasabi nilang kagandahan. Ang ganda ng ilan, sexy ng karamihan, tatapatan papantayan at minsan pa nga huy hihigitan ng taong na sa inyong harapan. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is Miss Rian na mag-iiwan ulit ng isang katagang. Kapag ang araw lumubog na, ibig sabihin gabi na. Pero kapag ang pisngi ni Kuya lumubog na, ay dahil shabu pa. Dahil ang bato ay para sa rebulto, hindi sa tao. Thank you very much!
Nagkaon ka na bala. Serving you trans excellency from a pure-blooded Tamaraw. The girl is standing in front of you is a proud third-year college student who's currently taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in Convergent Media at Far Eastern University. I am Nicole Ayala Gokongwei, hailing all the way from Gagalangin, Tondo, Manila. I'm your first ever Queen Bekshi ng Maynila, fourth runner-up, and your current Queen of Pandacan, first runner-up. But tonight, this is a pageant. Please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only Miss Winwin Marquez. And before I leave this very beautiful stage, I would like to leave I'm not humorous saying, I didn't come here to blend in. I came here to blaze trails. That would be all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Conde.
Tara ng kanta ng Pilipinas. Tara na, oh, taas. Saan man dako, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Dinig mo ay sadyang kahanga-hanga. Awit
People of Laonglan, Caloocan City, ang hindi pumalakpak, masusunugan ng bahay. Kapit bahay. Judges, 10%. Biro lamang po. Ladies, gentlemen, and in between, I always believe in the 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 3, Section 4 of the Bill of Rights, that no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, freedom of the press, and most especially, the freedom of expression. That is why, judges, I am here standing in front of you, expressing the way, being the best version of myself. Ladies, gentlemen, and in between, this is Casey Isorena. I am 21 years old and I am hailing all the way where the Pangisdaan Festival is celebrated in the city of Navotas. And I am also a graduate with a bachelor's degree in elementary education. And I am also a former teacher at Lanabal Academy in Navotas City. And I am proud to share to everyone that I am a licensed professional teacher. Ano po akong tumayo ngayon sa inyong harapan at magpakatao bilang ako po si Binibining Lovey po. Binibining Lovey po na nagiiwan po sa inyo ng isang paalala, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataang bakla na nandoon, nandito at nandoon. Sa lahat ng mga kabaklaan, nagiiwan po ako ng isang napakagandang paalala. Una, magdasal ka para mabuhay ka. Pangalawa, magtawas kayo para mabuhay naman ang iba. Judges, I am your candidate number 4 in the world full of super Latina. Allow me to be your super Filipina. Thank you so much and good evening.
ang sisiri.
ano na, bomba na. Joke lamang po. I always believe that education is the most powerful weapon in this world which you can use to change the world. A single journey begins with a simple step. My name is Elaine Lechica. I'm 21 years old, all the way from the e-bike capital of the Philippines, 10 Caloocan City. Ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo akong hiramin ang pagkababae at ang magbabalik na sangre, Danaya. Batindi niyo po, sabay-sabay palakbang ating yawan, Binibining Sanya Lopez. Binibining Sanya Lopez na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan, alam mo ba, mahal mo na, walang batadan, 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 batadan. Alam mo ba, mahal mo na, wala tayong magagawa, mahal mo na. Thank you so much and happy Easter Sunday.